This is a sample program called Greetings Demo for week 3. It is a PIP, Project in Progress. This is version 1, and we will look at a second version of this next week when we introduce looping and decision making. But this week we keep it simple and demonstrate the topics of scanner input, strings, and using class objects. Here is a description of the Greetings Demo project. The Greetings Demo project will say hello to the user of the program using their language of choice. The program will prompt the user to enter their name and make a selection from 5 different languages: Papiamento, Finnish, Japanese, Hindi, or Swahili. The program will then display hello to the user in the language selected. Let's take a look at running the code and then the actual code. Here is the Greetings Demo project. Let's run the code and then we'll examine it line by line. We see that the program prompts me for my name and then asks me to make a selection of a language for a greeting. I chose one, Aruban Papiamento, and then the program said, "Bombini, Anita." So let's take a look at the program. We see that the program actually consists of 2 Java files. The first Java file, Greetings Demo, contains the main method. Like C++, main is where execution always starts with our Java program, and we can only have one main. We need to maintain this association of class to file names in Java. We have public class GreetingsDemo, and that's contained in file greetingsdemo.java. It is part of the package GreetingsDemo, and so we see the folder GreetingsDemo under source packages. The GreetingsDemo is what's called a driver file. Its purpose will be to create the project object and use the object's methods. So we see in the first line of main that we create a greeting object named hi by invoking new greeting, and then using the object hi, we call method language selection to get the user's language pick, and then we call the give greeting method to display the hello in the user's chosen language. Notice that both these methods are called with the name of the object, the dot operator, and then the method name. Let's take a closer look at the greeting.java file. Class greeting has 3 variable members. These are the properties of the class. 2 strings, one called hello to hold the greeting. The second one is the user name to hold the user's name. The third variable member is an int called selection, and this will hold the language number chosen by the user. If we take a closer look at the language selection method, we see our scanner cin object. I tend to name my scanner object cin in honor of C++, but you can name your scanner objects whatever you like. The textbook author likes to name his scanner objects scan. We have a system out print line welcoming them to the World Language Greeting Program, and then a system out print asking them to enter their name. The second line is chosen to be a print so that when they type their name, it appears on the same line next to the prompt asking them to enter their name. The third line of code, username, is assigned cin.nextLine. Let's take that apart. Cin is my scanner object, and I'm using the next line method to capture the keyboard input typed by the user when they type in their name. Then we see several system out print lines to display the options to the user: Aruban Papiamento, Finnish, Japanese, Hindi, or Swahili. Then we prompt the user to enter their selection number. We assign selection to be cin.nextInt. Remember, cin is the scanner object that we declared above, and nextInt will capture integer input from the keyboard. Recall that all input and output is done as strings. So the nextInt captures the input and translates it into an integer. Now I have everything I need to give my greeting to the user. I know their name, and I have the number of their selected language. The next method, giveGreeting, uses a switch statement based on the selection 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5 that corresponds to Papiamento, Finnish, Japanese, Hindi, or Swahili, and assigns the hello string the greeting of that language. The last line of code, system out print line, prints the variable string stored in hello and the user name. Let's run it one more time. This time I'll be a right. And the language I'll choose this time will be Hindi. Namaste, a right. Any questions? Post them to the optional forum. Happy coding!